Alright guys, real quick video. Last but not least, the boolean type. Okay? It's the smallest one of all. It only takes up 1 bit. Okay, this data represents 1 bit of information, but its size isn't something that's precisely defined. That portion right there, that leaves it a little open to me. But let's just pretend it's 1 bit for right now, okay? It may or may not change. It's going to be 1 bit. It's easy. It only holds true or false. Let's demonstrate this. Alright, boolean. Okay, it can only hold 2 values. One, it's either going to be true. Let's go ahead and run this. Var is true, or it's going to be false. And that's it, right? And this variable type we're going to be using for the rest of the tutorial series, probably the rest of your programming career. We need to know if things are going to be true or false. Okay, if we try to type in anything else, it's going to have a problem. Okay. And that's it on this video. So now we're going to pick up using this variable type in the next several videos. We're also going to be picking up a lot of speed and going slow in the next video. So we just talked about all the primitive type variables, and now we're going to be using them. Thank you for watching, and I can't wait to teach the next class.